kører vi altså her, og du kan se der bilen, og her sidder Bent og med sin lyseblå skjorte på og kører, og han kan godt lide at køre bil. Det er hans yndlingsting at køre bil. Og du kan se, at vi kører hen ad vejen her, og der er altså så flot her, at det er ligegyldigt, hvor man vender og drejer sig, så kan man se, at det er flot. Men det kan jo godt være, at jeg skulle tale engelsk for dem, som ikke kan forstå dansk. Selvom Ben kan bedst lide, når man snakker dansk. But here we are in the Snow Canyon, and it doesn't matter where you turn, then suddenly it looks different. So I'm turning to the right here, and at the moment it looks maybe not the most exciting place, but it doesn't matter where you turn around, then it looks good. Oh, since we're driving, then it's a little bumpy here, and the camera goes up and down. But you can see it's red on this side, and then when we turn over here, then suddenly we get this big white thing sticking up over there. And that's the interesting thing about Utah.
Lava.
And then here is the black lava rock. And in Snow Canyon, there's actually several old, what is it you call them, Ben? Volcanoes. And so we guess the lava rock comes from some of all these old volcanoes. We also have a lot of volcano rock in Tocqueville, so there must have been the volcano at that time.
Sand dunes over there.
And here's a sand dune over here. Bent is kind of informing me a little bit about what it is here. But you can see how there's red rock and white rock. And Bent can explain why some of the rocks are white and why they're red. And I know it's a little bumpy because we're driving, but this is from the side now, so if we move around, you can see there's a huge white mountain there.
White is because there's a lot of calcium carbonates in the rocks.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear what Ben's saying.
And the red color is because there are iron in the rocks.
I guess you heard that. The white is the calcium, and the red is from the iron. There's somebody stopping by to take pictures of the view. And if you notice how the colors change, here they're white. So if I turn around, where of course you can see Ben's face again, then or at least you can see his nose. It's red over there.